possession. Metro Ballers. Possession shot number 3 for 5. 3 for 5. 3 for 5. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Metro Ballers. Isang bola po, nasan po? Yung isang bola, nasan po? Yung isang bola po namin. Nasa po isang bola namin? Ayun, nandun sa ano. Sige po, salamat. Alvarez, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Asilo. Love you, hindi pa ba yung Asilo? Asilo! 2 points. Asilo. Pumalaki. Pumendosa. To Mocera. Mocera side step 2. Love you, hindi pa ba yung Asilo? Pass to Jupawa. 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 42-35. The table up. Ratings. Mendoza. Mendoza pass to Mocera. Foul. Foul by jersey number 15. Asilo. First personal foul. First team foul of Metro Ballers. Shooting 2. Jeru. The pro. Mocera. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha kaya. No good, 0-2 by Mocera. 8-50. Alvarez. Alvarez. Pass it down by Alvarez. Blocking foul by jersey number 97. Robbie Holding. First personal foul, first team foul of South Ladies. Shooting bonus shot. Number 9, Alvarez. Converted and 1. Mocera, 42-30. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Peña. 13 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 13. Reserve timeout. Timeout. Ratings, wala na po kayong timeout. Isa pa po para sa Metro Ballers. Ating sa inyo yan na Matlak Loti, Flip Crew, and Honey Monte. And also brought to you by Swiss Unity Ballers. Challenge is always with us. Back to the action. Shoutout ko ulit ang ating nag-iisang Boss J. Cases ng Matlak Loading and Family. Thank you for watching. Kama. Steal by number 9. Now na si number 13. To ball, number 13. Deadlock, all 22. Kama. Pass to Malaki. Take it 3. Nugget, di ba? Number 9. To Jupawan. Jupawan. Block. Foul. May isang kamay. Foul. Foul by jersey number 10. Nepomuceno. Second personal foul. Second team foul of breaking. Shooting 2. Jupawan. First shot is no good. Second shot. Makukuha kaya ni Jupawan. 1 out of 2 by Jupawan. Change favor na po tayo. 43-42 in favor of Metro Ballers. Kama, pass to Mendoza. Lagi, di mo ba? Asilo nagmamadali. Asilo. 2 points. Asilo. 45-42. 3-point lead by Metro Ballers. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Mocera. Pass to Kama. Short number. 2 points. Shangli. Kama. Ating sa inyo yan na Swiss Unity Ballers. Sino mga papawis niyo? Challenge is always with us. Jupawan. By Mendoza. B-block by Mendoza. Kama pass through. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Metro Ballers. Napaka-blank ni Mendoza na yun. Patid sa inyo ng wholesale cement. Ang sikreto ng mga guwapo. Shoutout sa iyo, Ibian Deremite. The Lover Boy. Pass to Jumawan. 15 seconds to shoot. Alvarez, short jumper. 2 points. Alvarez, number 9. 47-44, 3-point lead. Wala na po change 5 yan, ha? Foul by jersey number 22, Jumawan. Second personal foul. First team foul of Metro Ballers. Bocosera. Basket count by Bocosera. Foul by jersey number 13. First personal foul, second team foul of Metro Ballers. Shooting bonus shot by the pro. Bonus shot is good by Gero the pro Bocosera.
Deadlock.
6 minutes and 17 seconds. Asilo. 15 seconds to shoot. Asilo pass to Jumawan. Jumawan pass to number 9 Alvarez. Alvarez, no, hindi mo pa Alvarez again. Alvarez, 2 points. Ay, number 16 pala, sorry. De Los Santos. 2-point lead by Bocosera. Hindi mo ba? Mendoza. Hindi mo ba Asilo? 49-47 in favor of Metro Ballers. Asilo, hindi mo ba number 16? Number 22. Pass to out of bounds. Ball goes to Breakings. Subdivision. Standby for subdivision. Standby. Deadlock. Baraki take it three. Di ba ba? Bocosera. Pass to Bocosera. Di ba ba? Standby for subdivision. Subdivision then. Pass to number 16. 16, di ba rin? 16. Pasok. Subdivision, pasok. Number 16 ba rin?
Wala sana.
16, De Los Santos. Second personal foul. Third team foul of Metro Ballers.
Nice D!
Maraming salamat po, Sir J. Classes. Inom po? Dito lang po. Ingat po kayo, Classes Quality. Maraming salamat po. Asilo. Good ball. Di ba ba Asilo ako?
Foul! 9-1!
Maraming salamat po. Sir J and family, mag-iingat po kayo sa inyong pag-uwi. Sa inyo ang sakit ng mga kids. Opinion niya. Second person na pa, 30 foul of the kids. Di ba ba number 9? Foul! Foul by si number 3, Neville Iquete. Penalty na lang po, penalty. Substitution, reserve, substitution. Standby. Standby for sub. Maraming salamat, Mantra Clothing. Kung gusto niyo po magpasabay ng jersey, PM na lang po ako sa page. Subdivision rep. Subdivision. Nepomuceno in. Mendoza out. Tungkama. 52-40 in favor of Metro Ballers. Pass to Kama 83. Nugget, Viva 5. Nepomuceno. Nugget, Viva 5 Alvarez. Pass to number 21. Zoren. Also is by Mocera. Ball stays with Ray Kings. 4 minutes and 7 seconds. 52-48. Pass to Mocera. Blocked by Asilo. Zoren. Reserve substitution. Nugget, Nepomuceno. Pass to Kama. Reserve substitution. Mocera. Pass to Linguete. Nugget, Viva 5. Linguete again. Mocera pala. Nugget, Viva 5. Number Silao. Pass to Jukawan. Pass to Zoren. Nugget, Viva 5. Jukawan. Pass to Zoren, pass to Silao. Nugget, Viva 5.
Nagpa-time out namin.
Wala na. Basket by Asilo. Wala na po kayo timeout. Game sa third quarter. Pass to Mocera, 83. Mocera. Stand by for substitution. Back-end ball. Pass to Asilo. Pass to Jukawan. Skip to Nugget, Viva 5. Hopilenya. Wow, subdivision. Pasok po. Who's foul rep? Number 21, Zoren. Warning for penalty. Metro Ballers. Kama. To Nepomuceno short jumper. Nugget, Viva 5. Scala. Pass to Asilo. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Asilo. Pass to Zoren. Good boy, Zoren. 56-51. 5.35. Metro Ballers. To Kama. Nugget, Viva 5. Silao. To Asilo pa rin. Nugget, Viva 5. Alat to Asilo. To boys. Asilo. To Hakim. 18 seconds to shoot. Hakim, pass to Linguete. Pass to Hakim. 12 seconds to shoot. Hopilenya. 8 seconds to shoot. Hakim, taking 3. Nugget, Viva 5. Alam. Steal by Kama to boys. Shami Kama. 58-53. Foul. Penalty. Foul by jersey number 28, Changli Kama. First personal foul by Changli Kama. Penalty. Metro Ballers, warning for penalty. Shooting 2, Asilo. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha kaya ni Asilo. Ang free throw na ito ay din sa inyo na hosting sa men. 0-2 para Asilo. 60-53. Lagi, lima by Hakim. Hakim, sidestepping, pass to Linguete.
3
3
seconds.
seconds.
Wala na, wala na. Kalaban pala to.
60-53 in favor of Mega Ballers. Pass to Silao. Pass to Zore. 83. Airball.
Sira. Sira ang e-bike.
Tinamaan yung pagkero ko. At isa yan ng wow and wow. Ang pagkero na magawa ko. Linguete taking green. Lagi, lima by Alam.
Alan, kaya to.
Alam. Pass to Asilo. 18 seconds left. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Alam lagi. Alam.